So, when we say particulate nature of matter, we are simply referring to matter existing in three forms. And what are these forms that matter can exist? So, matter can exist in form of atom, molecules, or ions. That is when matter becomes particulate. So, from the word particle, that is where we coin the term particulate from. Is that taken? So, in this case, we say that an atom is the smallest particle of an element which can take part in a chemical reaction. That smallest indivisible particle that smallest invisible particle, please. Okay, not indivisible. Take note of that correction. So that smallest invisible particle that we cannot see with our naked eyes, belonging to a particular element that can take part in a chemical reaction, is what we refer to as atoms. Is that taken? There is no past and recent research that have definitely tells us that this is the true structure of atom, or this is how atom looks like. But we have what we refer to as atomic model, which is used to represent the structure of atom. Since we cannot see atom with our naked eyes, we use model to represent the atomic structure. Now, when we have molecules, on the other hand, molecules are smallest particle of either a compound or a substance that can exist on its own and still retains the chemical property or physical property of that very particular substance. That's what we mean by molecule. Now, molecule, in other words, you can refer to it as a smaller fraction of the substance. Is that it? So whatever the substance is having in terms of properties, that smallest part of it will also have that same property. And that is what we refer to as molecule. Then we have ions. Ions are charged forms of atoms. When atoms lose or accept electrons, they become ions. So ions are obtainable from where? Atoms. Is that okay? So when you have an atom losing an electron, it becomes a positively charged atom, which we refer to it ionically as a cation. But when an atom gains an electron, we refer to it ionically as an anion. So all metals, when they lose their electrons, they become what? Positively charged, which we refer to them as cations. While all metals that gain electrons are referred to as negatively charged atoms, which we refer to them as anions. Then finally, when we say valency under this very particular episode of our class, we said valency is the combining power of an atom. Atom use valency to combine with another atom. That is what we mean by that. To form compound or molecule. That is what valency is telling us. So the valency of different atoms differ due to the way the atoms behave. Is that taken? Then when we say atomic structure and orbitals, then equations, in our subsequent lesson, we are going to take a look at them. So, but as of now, these are the ones we can take. Particulate nature of matter. Under it, we have atoms, molecules, ions, and then we have valency. So, should in case you are still not clear, you can drop your comments for more explanation. Thank you very much.